Hey everyone, welcome to the Buttercup Club. Since independence is just around the corner, this is the perfect time to make accessories to wear on August 14th. So I was thinking to make a scrunchie. For that, I'm going to use a white and a green yarn, a pair of scissors. I'm also going to use a 2.5mm hook, a weaving needle, and I will be using a medium-sized hair tie. To start off, I'm going to start with the round one, and for that I'm making a slip knot. So it would be easy for me to make single crochet and to work around the hair tie. So we just need to make single crochet around the hair tie until it completely covers the area. As you can see, I have completely covered the hair tie with the single crochet, and now I have reached to the end of round one. So I'm going to slip stitch the yarn to close the ends. And from here I am going to start my round 2. So for round 2 I'm going to chain 3. That will count as our first double crochet, and then I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So in a single stitch we are going to make 3 double crochet in total. Here I am making 3 double crochet in each stitch, and then I will meet you once I finish the row. And now you can see I've reached the end of my round 2. I've left 3 stitches, 2 to 3 stitches to make it on camera. So there are in total of 4 rounds in this scrunchie, and I have completed 2 rounds so far. Also, I will add the details of the pattern in the description box. Once I finish the round, I simply slip stitch the yarn to close my round 2 for the better and finished look. At this point, it's starting getting in shape, and for round 3 we are simply going to repeat round 2, which is 3 double crochet in a single stitch. Now I am at the end of my round 3, and to finish off the round I am simply going to slip stitch in the first stitch of my round 3. So for the fourth and the final round, I'm going to change my color, and for that for now I'm not cutting off the white yarn. First I want to loop in the green yarn, so it would be very easy to work with a second color yarn. As you can see, I have a one loop in my hook. I simply will pull the green yarn from that loop, and then I will work with the green yarn to finish off my project. Once I pull the yarn, I make I made a chain 1 to secure my hook and my yarn, and then I proceeded to cut off the white yarn, and I will simply weave in these threads, the white and the green one, later once I finish off my 4th round. And for the 4th round, I am simply going to make single crochet around each and every stitch I have. As you can see, I finished off my 4th round as well, and honestly it's looking very beautiful. I didn't think of the end result I will get, and this was really unexpected result I got. After finish off the round, the 4th round, I slip stitch with my first stitch of the 4th round, and then I chain 1, and then I proceeded to cut the yarn. And now I am weaving off all the yarns I have left. Here you can see my final result of this project, and I'm so happy with it. It turned out so well. It is so beautiful. I love the color combination, and I love how wavy the design is, its structure is, and it reflects white color in between the green border. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the Buttercup Club. See you in the next video.